Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Do It Lucas. So today we're going to make something super cool, our very own lava lamp. Let's do it! Here's what you'll need: a cup, cooking oil, water, food colouring and a effervescent tablet. So to start off, you'll need to pour cooking oil. Then after, pour water. You'll notice the water stays at the bottom because water's heavier than cooking oil. Then after, you put a few drops of food colouring. Wait a bit for the colours to get to the bottom. And finally, you drop the effervescent tablet. Watch the magic happen as bubbles rise up and fall. And that's how you make a homemade lava lamp. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for some more science fun. Bye!